sign up BitGet app. If you not yet sign up BitGet app or you don't know how to sign up or how to complete KYC, please follow my channel, TikTok, Facebook or YouTube, or you can scan code Telegram. I show you on this video. Cryptocurrency is very good. In the future is the money of the future. You want to become a millionaire, so you start from now with cryptocurrency. So now I tell you how to sign up. The first you must have Gmail. So you must note your Gmail and password in your in your note. If you use iPhone, it's easy for use note. Yes. So you put your Gmail here. First you download by BitGet app first, and then put your password, Gmail, your Gmail and your password. And please keep security with the password. Afraid you forgot, so you're not in your notebook and keep. Don't show another to know your password. Yes, password like that. The first is big word. This word, you must put a referral. Yes, so you put here referral PF18GAZK. Yes, use this referral. You will direct with the company, and you will get the lesson in Telegram that free, not charge. Yes, group Telegram will give you free a lesson. Signal, yeah, Signal and Super Robot AI that free. So you must use this referral code. Okay. Our team is master from Dubai. Yes. So if you want success with cryptocurrency, become a millionaire in the future, you must join with our team that direct with the company and buy or sell USDT, not charge fee. $1 is one USDT, no service charge, no charge fee. Yes, and we have you how to complete KYC, how to become KOL of BitGet app. If you want to be startup BitGet app, our team will help you, because when you become a BitGet app, when you trade, you will get fee 50% from your teamwork or from yourself when you buy and when you sell, when you trade. Yeah, so very good. So you try to learn about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, not the game. It's the real business. It's real business, very good in the future. Now cryptocurrency is grow up very fast around the world. So in the future, the money will stop produce. Yeah, and all people around the world will take all digital asset, keep in cryptocurrency only one. So you spend or you spend only coin only when you want to buy something. You go anywhere, you want to open a business, you have invest, yes, in or out your country, you will use the wallet or cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency in the future is very important. Now the people know clear and start interest, very interested about cryptocurrency, because it's very good that I can say don't have another business that good. Yes, that good than this crypto. Yes, so the first you saw, so I show you in video. Yes, you follow like this. So here choose here for complete KYC. Yeah, use a driver card or ID card. Yes, you do like this. You take front and back of your ID card. So if you cannot complete KYC, please contact our Telegram. We'll help you. We have video send you by Telegram, tell you and help you how to complete KYC. This point you must scan your Face ID. So cryptocurrency is very security. Yeah, all app is very security. Cannot have hacker. Yes, that you can believe. Yeah. So if you don't believe me, you waiting. you waiting 5, 10 or 20 minutes more, 20 year more. Yes, but if you waiting until that, you will lose the time. Many people will become a riches already. So if you waiting until that, I think not good. I think you lost time because your age will older from year to year, and now every day the economic very strict. Yes, very difficult. Don't know. I don't know how another business that good than cryptocurrency. I see don't know. I'm a businesswoman. Yes, I work already. Yeah. So please scan Telegram here. Yes, for more information. And if you want to get signal for trade, yes, or you want to get super robot AI for help you, yes, don't forget scan this Telegram. And you want become a millionaire, yes, in the future, or you want the better life from now, yes, or you want become a KOL or Bitget app, you start from here, or you can join with our team because we are direct of company, we are master. Yes, we are master that can help you. So don't forget, I tell you, cryptocurrency is very good from now until the future. So please don't throw out the choice. Don't throw out this choice. Okay, thank you.